Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can sum columns in your databases on Notion. So let us dive into it right away. Head over to your database on Notion. So let me go, for example, with that database here for the sake of this tutorial. So what you want to do, guys, is add a property to your table first. So make sure the table is selected as your database view. And here you will see the first column and here the second column. So I already added that number property. If you haven't done it yet, let me show you how to do that and delete that property. So click into that plus add property button here. And after that, add a number property or column. There you go. After that, simply click into these columns and cells here. Click into these cells here and add your numbers like 15. And then we got, for example, 27, any random numbers, 641. And then we got also 87. So there we go. We got a row or a column here consisting of 4 numbers. So if you'd like to calculate these guys without using an external calculator, of course, but use the built-in calculator here on Notion, simply do the following. Click into your column head here at the top, hover your mouse over calculate here, and after that click into more options and choose sum with your left mouse, just like that. And there you go. Here below at the bottom of your column you will see the summed up or the sum of these numbers, as you can see. So that's basically it. Very simple. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.